Sang-ayon na i-reset ang first regular election sa BARMM. Palawigin hanggang taong 2027 ang transition period at holdover o mananatili ang lahat ng miyembro ng kasalukuyang BTA Parliament. Ito ang malinaw na sagot ni Chief Minister Ahod Ibrahim kaugnay sa posisyon ng BARM government sa pagdinig ng Committee on Suffrage and Electoral Reforms ng Kamara hinggil sa nilalayo na pag-amyenda sa Bangsamoro Organic Law sa gitna ng isinusulong na resetting ng first regular election sa BARMM. Ito'y matapos tanungin ni Basilan Representative Mujib Hataman si Chief Minister Ibrahim sa magkaibang posisyon ng Transition Authority at ng Central Committee ng MILF. Narito ang ilang punto ng dalawang opisyal sa pagulong muli ng pagdinig ng Committee on Suffrage and Electoral Reforms hinggil sa pag-amyenda sa Republic Act 11054 o ang Bangsamoro Organic Law para sa layuning palawigin ang transition period sa BARM at i-reset ang first regular election sa rehiyon.
Mainly ho, ang position ng Office of the Chief Minister ay dalawa. One, kung i-postpone ang election to 2027 and at the same time hold over capacity. Second, meron ding position ang MILF ho, of which kayo rin ang chairman ng MILF, ang position is for election. Gusto ko lang ho marinig kung ano yung wisdom ng resolution ng MILF at difference doon sa position ng Chief Minister who happened to be the chairman of the MILF also.
Thank you, Honorable Congressman. Actually, ang nangyari is immediately after the pronouncement that there will be an extension of the election for BARM. Nag-meeting kami sa Central Committee. So, the Central Committee unanimously decide na ipuso natin na mag-election na kasi we have already have our own preparation. Pero hindi namin masyadong na-consider yung issue ng sulu. Paano kasi we were still expecting na baka kasi merong mga motion for reconsideration, so baka but then ngayon na natin na hindi na talaga pwedeng ibalik ng sulong. So yun ang position ng MILF, mag-election na sa 2025. That is the plan. Now, after that, we engage the Senate and the Office of the President and the President himself. So after our engagement with the President, yun ang basically sabi niya, hindi nyo kaya na iwan kasi you will have to work out redistricting, paano ninyo minus sulong kasi hindi na mapabalik ang sulong. So that is the reason why we have another position. We meet with the BTA. Kasama na yung mga BTA and the Central Committee of the MILF. So ang nangyari, that is the last position is we are for the postponement of election pero 2 years, 2027. And then added to that, we ensure that the current BTA will still stay as holdover to until the election will come. So yan ang last na position, final position namin.